Hello viewers, you are welcome to my Maths class, and in this video we are going to solve an Olympiad question. The question says, given that 3 power y plus 1 over 32 is equals to root of 96 power x. So we are required to find the value of x and y. So let us begin by saying solution. So from there, we rewrite the equation given. We know that we have 3 power y plus 1 everything over 32 is the same thing as root of 96 power x. So recall, according to laws of indices, if you have root of m, so this is the same thing as m power half. So this idea is what we are going to apply here. So we have 3 power y plus 1 over 32 to be equals to 96 power x everything power half. So now we also know that if you have power and power, then you multiply the powers according to laws of indices. If you have a power m power n, so this is the same thing as a power m times n. So this is another law of indices that we need to recall here. Now we have 3 power y plus 1 over 32 to be equals to 96 power x times half, which is x over 2. So now, let us check, is there any relationship between 32 and 96? Yes, of course, there is a relationship because 32 times 3 is going to give us 96. So this is the same thing as 3 power y plus 1 over 32 equals to, this 96 is the same thing as 32 times 3, then everything for our x over 2. Now from there, we know that 3 for our y plus 1 everything over 32 is equals to this power. We are going to distribute it. It is for both 32 and 3. So we have 32 for our x over 2 times 3 for our x over 2. So this is the same thing as 3 for our y plus 1 everything over this 32 is the same thing as 2 power 5, because 2 power 5 is going to give us 32. So equals to 32 here is also 2 power 5, then power x over 2, then multiply by 3 power x over 2. So now this is the same thing as 3 power y plus 1, then multiply by, take this off, it instead of 2 power 5, it will be 2 power minus 5, according to laws of indices. Then equals to 2, this to then multiply the powers 5 times x over 2. It is going to give you 5x over 2, then multiply by 3 power x over 2. So this can be rewritten as, instead of 3 times 2, because multiplication is commutative, this is the same thing as 2 power minus 5. This one first, then multiply by this one, 3 power y plus 1 equals to 2 power 5x over 2 multiplied by 3 power x over 2. So now we equate the powers of the same basis. Equate powers with same base. Because we have 2 power something here, we have 2 power something here, multiply by 3 power something here, multiply by 3 power something here. So we compare the left hand side and the right side and the right hand side. So the power of 2 here is minus 5, and the power of 2 here is 5x over 2. So we equate. It means minus 5 is the same thing as 5x over 2. So now you cross what? You cross multiply. Minus 5 times 2 equals 5x. So minus 5 times 2 is minus 10 equals to 5x. So you are looking for x, then definitely divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So here over 5, here over 5. So this go with this. It means our x is minus 10 over 5, which is minus 2. So x is minus 2 here. So from there, you also take the powers of 3. This is 3 power y plus 1. This is 3 power x over 2. So it means y plus 1 equals to x over 2. Y plus 1 equals to x over 2. So from there, we know that we have our x as minus 2. So this means y plus 1 equals to x. Our x is minus 2. So we have minus 2 over 2. So we have y plus 1 to be equals to minus 2 over 2. Definitely is going to be minus 1. So we know that our y is equals to minus 1. Take this one to the other side, it becomes negative 1. So minus 1 is going to give us minus 2. So therefore, x is minus 2 and y is minus 2. Therefore, x and y are the same. All of them are minus 2. So this is the solution. Thank you.